COVID-19, what a prick it's been, right? Especially for us freelancers and content creators where we don't even have a regular income coming usually, and now especially with the lockdown there are no new projects coming up. It's hard. How is one supposed to make money to pay your rent or feed yourself? I mean, if you have a hefty savings, good for you, but how much longer until even that dries out? So I feel you. And so here are a few tips that might help you in this current scenario. Now let me assure you that by the end of this video, you're not going to learn ways to make bags and bags of money, but I'm sure that these tips will help you sustain and keep you going. And after the lockdown is over, become an alternate source of income. So my first and foremost tip for all photographers, videographers, and motion graphic designers is to upload stock footage. Stock footage has been helping so many visual content creators, and given these current scenarios, it is quite hard to go out yourself and go shoot footages that you might require for your project. And this is where stock footage comes in. With so many content providers making such beautiful footage and uploading it onto these different stock footage websites, it's really easy for content creators to continue making the great content that they're expected to and need to make. Now you can contribute to this by uploading your own stock footage. Take videos of yourself working in the kitchen, or the leaves rustling, or the birds chirping, of water dripping, pretty much anything that you can think of, and upload it to stock footage websites. You can do the same with even stock photographs. Take pictures of everything that you can find and upload it. A few of these websites where you can upload your stock footage is given in the description below. Also remember that all this footage that you're shooting right now could also come in use for yourself later in time. Talk to your past clients. Just as you are going through such a hard time, I'm pretty sure most of your clients are also in the same boat. Check with them about how they're doing and propose the idea of generating fresh content using the content that you have already created for them. Now, given the current scenario, I'm pretty sure that they themselves are not able to create fresh content. And a good idea to keep content growing in their channel and yours is to recycle content that you have already made. From cinemagraphs to motion graphic posts and GIFs and remixed photographs, as a content creator, there is so much that you can offer with your creativity. Find what will suit your clients' needs the best and propose this as an idea. Just recycle and remix that content. Revisit your own social media platforms. Now, given that so many people are using social media in their free time during this lockdown, it's important to keep your online presence as lively as possible. Go revisit your old social media, see your portfolio, see what you can change and upload new, and keep that growing. Let the market know that you're still available during these times and that you haven't gone and hidden under a rock. Let them know that you're still in business and ready to work from wherever you are. Promote your lesser known skills. Now, if you're a filmmaker, you're probably good at storytelling. Develop that and promote that. If you're a director, you probably write really good scripts. Offer to edit other people's scripts. Promote yourself as a visual marketer and offer the service of being able to help other establishments advertise their content during such tough times. Use freelancer platforms because these platforms will help you touch upon a wider range of clientele. Understand that most of these platforms have access to international boundaries. You'll be accessing to more than billions of people with content requirements, and you'll be able to serve for these requirements from your very home. A few of these freelancer platforms have been linked in the description below. Film around your city. With caution, you could go around your own city and document all the changes that have taken place in the past few days. We're going through a really important time through history, and this footage is not going to help you immediately, but over time, let me assure you that what you're documenting right now will be a piece of history and will definitely come into use at some point in time. Of course, make sure that you are not going against any local laws in your area, and if it's unsafe, please do not go outside. However, if it is legal to step out in your area, do wear a mask, follow hygiene protocol, and follow the instructions of the local law keepers. But if you do manage to get some sweet footage of your city during this lockdown, wow, that is going to do you wonders. Make ads of brands that you like. Now, doing this is not only going to give you practice, but it's also going to build your portfolio further, and more clients will know of your style. And well, if you're lucky, that particular brand might even reach out because they want your style so badly. The possibilities are endless. Go ahead and go recreate your favorite ads. Editing. Everybody needs some sort of editor right now. Be it a script editor, a film editor, a photo editor. If you're an editor in one of these categories, offer your skills in your neighborhood. You never know what kind of content that needs to be edited. Maybe your neighbor is making cooking videos, but you don't know how to edit their videos. Offer that service to your local neighborhood and tell them that you're ready to edit their talents. Offer fresh services. Say that you're willing to remix anybody's pictures for a small price. Get creative, because if you're an editor, you have the skill to remix anything you want in whatever way you want. That's the best part of being an editor. Find out what the requirements are for editing within your neighborhood, and if there are no requirements, make one. Put out an example of what editing skills that you can offer on your own platform, and then create that demand. Sell your assets. Now, if you're a video editor, make your own LUTs. If you use Lightroom, make your own presets. There is a customer for every style. For all you know, there is somebody out there who likes the way you color your pictures and your videos, and that will really come to good use. So sell your LUTs, sell your presets, sell your motion graphics, capitalize on your creativity. Start an online course. Now, if you're a creator, you've come so far and you've learned so much along your way. Now, you could pass on this wisdom for a small price, of course, and sell your skills as an online course. By doing this, you will be sharing your wisdom, helping your community, and also this will force you to go back and keep learning. Because if you're going to teach, you've got to keep sharpening your skills. I know it's really difficult to put into effect all of these tips that I've mentioned in this video, but choose what will suit you and your needs the most and go ahead and use those. Now, I can assure you that most of these tricks have been helping me sustain during this lockdown, and I really hope that they will help you as well. I really hope this video added value to your time. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon and all that good stuff, and see you in the next one. Bye!